looks really lit.
Happy Halloween! That was a party, man. Those girls totally loved our costumes.
Dude, what the fuck are we even?
I don't know, like sexy janitors, like Breaking Bad or some shit. I don't know.
We're not very sexy. Yeah, you might be just a janitor.
Oh, bro, no, I can't deal with this right now, man.
I'm good. I'm good. I think.
Come on. That was fun. Let me see your phone.
It's dead, bro.
It's dead. What the fuck? How is it dead? I thought you charged it before we left.
I fucking forgot.
Great, man. Mine's dead too. No Uber for us.
Oh, wait, stop.
Hey, come on, man. You can make it.
I feel so bad, bro.
Nah, bro, come on, man. No. No, absolutely fucking not.
Yes.
You're the one who has to go. Knock. Bathroom?
Thank fucking God, get in here. Boss said you guys were fast, but damn. It's gonna be first door on the right. Yeah, so it's pretty fucking gross in there, but I'm pretty sure you guys are used to that shit. By the way, this is Gio. Does he usually go in there all by himself?
Yeah, usually a pretty separate thing.
He's a brave man going in there all alone. So, you want some? That shit was good, man. Yo, what's the nastiest shit you guys have ever had to clean up before, man? I bet you had some pretty crazy hits.
Oh shit, yeah, cleaned. Hey, we were cleaning up a couple of girls tonight.
Oh shit. Wait, you guys just came from another job today? Man, y'all some crazy guys, but I swear, man, this has to be up there though. Cause I just fucking,
Yo, put the fucking bat down, man. Show fucking fault, we in this shit.
Damn.
What's up, girl? Hey, what's up? Got what he deserved. Yo, I don't deserve having to deal with your shit. Fuck was that?
I'll go check on him. Oh, bro, that's what you fucking did. They think we're here to fucking clean this. This makes a whole lot more sense now.
Yo, you guys good?
Hey, say something.
Yeah, we're, cleaning it all up.
Oh. Alright, we all good?
I'm gonna go check on that.
Yeah.
Yo, we heard something, we ain't know what the fuck.
It's nothing. Sean here just had some bad dinner. That's all. Yeah, we're all good. We're all good. No problem. Absolutely no problem. We got this body 100% covered. Oh no, don't mind that. We're just using that to cover the body, right, Sean?
Yep. Yeah.
Alright, I mean, y'all need something to clean faster or something?
No, we're good.
Yeah, actually, we need every cleaning supply in the house. So, disinfectant. We need 409 fucking Windex. We need Windex.
Alright, I can do that.
Fucking Windex?
Yo, you guys good? You need a hand?
No, we got it.
Still good with the payment?
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Trust me, man. It's the real shit.
All right, let's get this guy out to your car and get out of here.
Our car. Shouldn't you take the body?
Well, we actually have another job after this.
It's all good, my G. We can take the body out to the river. Come on, let's get this shit done.
Head first, boys. Head first.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, shit. I forgot the bat. Motherfucker.
Yo, so where's the guy's next job at?
Yeah, some.
What are you guys doing though? Like what?
Yeah.
Body or what?
Ricky! These niggas fight!
Holy fuck! No! Fuck! Yeah! This is the Sean I know. This is the badass I knew was always fucking there. Yes! Woo! We made it, man. I hate you.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
We gangsters.
Gangsters on the set.
Wait, we should record this and put this at the end for credits.
Finish recording.
Oh wait, you were recording that? Oh damn.